Are you keep getting share my location unavailable on your iPhone? Hey there everyone, welcome back to this guiding studio, and today's guide video I'll show you how you can fix the problem if your iPhone shows share my location not available. Here in this video I'll show you the step-by-step guide, so without wasting any more time, let's jump right into the video guys. Well, so now to fix the share my location unavailable error, the very first thing that you need to do, you actually have to check out your location settings. Go ahead and open up the settings app from your device and scroll down and find out the privacy and security. Go ahead and tap on this one, and from here go ahead and tap on location services and make sure the location services is enabled from here. If it's already enabled, go ahead and turn this option off and wait around 10 to 20 seconds, and after that turn it back on. And right after that, go ahead and tap on share my location and tap on find my. Be sure to enable the find my iPhone from here, and also enable find my network and send last location from here as well. And then get back to the main settings and also enable the share my location from here as well. Then get back to your location services once again, and from the list you'll get to see the find my iPhone right here. You just need to find out this one, and from the list you just need to find out the find my. Go ahead and tap on this one and make sure it's selected with the while using app, and then get back from here as well. But if you're getting this error on the Apple Maps, then go ahead and tap on the maps right here and make sure it's also selected with the while using the app. And once you have make sure these settings, you just need to get back to the main settings of your iPhone. I'm going to get into the main settings right here, and lastly you just need to scroll down a little bit and go ahead and tap on screen time. And from here scroll down again, tap on content privacy restriction and make sure the content privacy restriction is actually disabled. And once you make sure, just get back to your home screen and then tap on this virtual home button, device more, and restart, and tap on restart and restart your iPhone. And also you can turn off and on your iPhone as well. And after doing this process, most likely your problem is going to be solved. But if any case, if you find that you're still having the same problem, then the next thing that you need to do, you just need to open up the settings application once again from a device, and then tap on your Apple ID at the very top, and then scroll down, tap on sign out and sign out your Apple ID, and then re-log in with your Apple ID, and most likely this will help you to fix this problem as well. But let's say you did this as well but you're still having the same problem, then here's the last process that you guys can follow. Open up the settings once again, scroll down, tap on general, scroll down to the bottom, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap reset, and go ahead and tap on reset location and privacy at the bottom right here, and then go ahead and put your password right over here, and then go and tap on reset settings, and the location and privacy settings will be resetted, and most likely a problem is going to be solved. Hope you find this very helpful guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.